Hey guys, welcome. If you're new here, my name is Mandy and I hope to give you some great cleaning and organization motivation today. So thanks for stopping by. My bathroom closet had gotten so cluttered and just unorganized. I couldn't find anything or fit anything else in there. So it was time to give it a good purge, get a lot of stuff thrown away and everything organized back. I hope you enjoy this video. If you do, give it a thumbs up. Leave me a comment down below. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and click that notification bell so that you're notified every time I upload a new video. All right, let's get this party started.
I just wanna hold you.
I'm just going to start by taking everything out of the closet. You'll notice that I take everything out except for the top shelf. I don't use that stuff very often, so it stays pretty neat and organized. So like I said, just going to take everything out so I can see what I've got. Going to start purging and getting rid of things that I don't use or need anymore, and then just start organizing again.
You are the solution. You are the solution. Every time I'm down, yeah, you make me smile. You're the solution.
Alright, this is what it looks like after I've gotten everything cleaned out. I went ahead and put a few of the larger items back in, and then I just needed to vacuum out the bottom and the shelf that I cleaned off before putting everything back in.
You are the solution.
And now I'm just going to go through all of our hair products. I'm putting my daughter's foam rollers into their own Ziploc bag, along with all of my hair color products so they're easier to keep up with.
I just want to look into your eyes. You know you make me feel like I'm alive. You are the solution. You are the solution. You are the solution. You are the solution. I wanna hold your hand. You're everything that I desire. Every time we touch, we get set the world.
After that, I'm just going to take the disposable razors out of the packaging because it takes up so much space and put them in this plastic tray.
Every time we touch, we get set the world on fire. I'm thinking you were made for me. Isn't it my birthday yet? Cause I gotta say, you're looking like a gift for me. Wrapped up nice and neat, baby. Get in my way now, don't be shy. We'll be here dancing day and night. Get in my groove now, don't be shy. Cause I got the system.
Now I'm just going to go through and organize all of our hair ties and scrunchies and things like that. I don't know about you guys, but I swear my daughter has about 10,000 scrunchies.
Morning breakfast with my bedroom door locked. I like everything that has a cherry on top. Get on my list of the things I love, love, love. You could be the one I trust. All the second chances, they are nothing for us. I like it all with the cherry on top. Be one of the things I love. We don't have to move so fast, baby. I will show you how you can catch my vibe. And right away, I'll so much time looping in the blurry lights. Get in my way now, don't be shy. We'll be here dancing day and night. Get in my groove now, don't be shy. Cause I got this list of my favorite things. You could be the part where it all begins. You could be the first and the second and the third and the rest of it. You could be one of the things I love. Sunday morning breakfast with my bedroom door locked. I like everything that has a cherry on top. Get on my list of the things I love.
I picked up this 2-drawer organizer from Target, so I'm just going to put it together for all of our feminine products. All the boxes were honestly taking up so much space, and I felt this would be a better idea.
The things I love, the things I love, the things I love, 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 the things I love, the things I love.
Now I'm just going to go through and empty all the boxes and put everything in here. Turns out everything we had fit in here perfectly, and it's so much easier to find.
I love, 'cause I got this list of my favorite things. You could be the part where it all begins. You could be the first and the second and the third and the rest of it. Get in my way now, don't be shy. We'll be here dancing day and night. Get in my groove now, don't be shy. You could be one of the things I love. Sunday morning breakfast with my bedroom door locked. I like everything that has a cherry on top. Get on my list of the things I love, love, love. You could be the one I trust. All the second chances, they are nothing for right. I like it all with the cherry on top. Be one of the things I love. The things I love, the things I love, the things I love, 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 love. The things I love, the things I love. Be one of the things I love. The things I love, the things I love, the things I love, 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 love. The things I love, the things I love. Be one of the things.
Now I'm just going to refold all of my cleaning rags and towels.
I bet you think that I should calm down, and that I'm overthinking everything about you, and that we're good the way we are. But I don't know that much about you. What things you like and what you don't. It's not that long since
I know this is a little bit off camera and you can't really see what I'm doing, but I'm refolding all of the towels.
you know we should work it out. You know we should work it out. Before I'm too invested, I should probably
And now it's time to start finding a place for everything and putting it all back in.
do better. But can you be trusted? Will you take me for granted? Will you let me down?
Also, I'm going to start moving things around on the top shelf and reorganizing it. I'm just putting some of the things that we don't use on a regular basis up there, like the dog clippers and things like that.
It kinda makes me go crazy. But we should take it slow. Work things out so you don't let me go. When I come real close, I don't wanna get hurt, 'cause I'm not ready to give you my heart yet. Before I'm too invested, I should probably ask you all my questions. Get to know you better. But can you be
And this is the after. So satisfying. Everything is much easier to find now, and I don't feel overwhelmed every time I open this closet door. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and got some great motivation to tackle your to-do list. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!